Hi, I want to talk about a product today that I use. It's called Dove Intensive Cream. It's a hand cream by Dove. This is not a lotion. This is strictly for your hands. I would not use it on my face or my body. Throwing it in your purse if you're typing all day long, or if you're using your hands and you don't want them to get too dried out after washing or before, you can grab this, throw it in your bag and go. It's really, really great for that. You can see here that it's in a pot like this. This is hard plastic, so it's safe. It's, you know, if you drop it, it's not going to shatter. It's fine. It's not going to scratch or dent or anything like that. Just so you can get a good idea of the size. I have a CD here, and I'm just going to kind of put it on top so you can see that obviously it's not as wide as the CD is. So it's can fit in the palm of your hand. So that's perfect for it to be, you know, portable. You can just kind of grab it and go. Dove makes a lot of really great products that are natural or for sensitive skin, and so they're known for that, and this is actually one of those products. I'm going to open it up here so you can see what the packaging is like. So as you can see, it is wrapped in foil. I really appreciate this. So I know that no one's tested it. I know that no one has swatched it. I know that it has not been touched or tampered with. I really appreciate that it has this aluminum foil wrap over it. This is not something that you see every day with like a low-cost cosmetic product. So this is really unique to me. I think that that's what drew me to it, because it seems like they take the extra step to ensure that your product that you're getting is secure and it's clean. And so I appreciated that a lot. So you have a tab here. Now this one's already open because I've used it, but you just kind of peel the foil back like that, and you see it reveals the product. It's a white hand cream. Now this is packed. I'm just gonna look to see. So in the entire container is 2.53 fluid ounces of product. That's a good amount, and you don't need a lot of this product at all. You kind of just want to take just like a little fingertip full. That's all you're gonna need, because again, it's for your hands. You rub a little bit your fingers, in between your fingers, on your palms, and that's it. So this is a really good amount of product. You're not going to go through this in a month, I promise. It's definitely cold, and it's dense. It has the feeling of like an ice cream. It's thick but creamy, which I really like. It's a really, really light fragrance. It's a little perfumey, to be honest with you. It's a little bit intense. That's why it's only for your hands. This is not a face lotion. This is not to rub on your legs and your arms. I would not recommend that. It's strictly for your hands, because you obviously should be washing your hands from time to time throughout the day. So you're going to wash it off, put it back on, etc. So this is for your hands only. I wouldn't recommend putting it anyplace else, especially not your face, because the fragrance is a little bit strong. So I'm going to kind of swatch it just a little bit for you. So I take about that much, no more than that. And I rub it in my hands, just in between my fingers, wherever, you know, it gets the most dry. Now this is perfect because it's small, and you can put it on your desk at work. You can put it in your bag, as I said before. So it gives a really nice moisturized feeling. As you can see, there's no shimmer in it. It's just pure white, so you don't get any, you know, residue of color or glitter or anything like that. It disappears completely. It does give a little bit of a greasy after feeling. Now that's the only thing that I don't really love about this product. As you can see, my hand is a little bit oily now. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is a little bit oily. I don't love that, only because if you're at work and you're dealing with paper or you're typing, you're going to transfer that oil onto whatever you're touching. So that is one thing that I don't love about this product. However, because it has such a nice coverage, once you wash your hands, you'll still feel this nice, smooth feeling. It's not going to completely wash off your hands. It is moisturizing your skin. So that's actually really good news. because it's not thin. You're not going to wash it off, you know, all at once. It does its job as far as helping your skin to stay soft and to stay moisturized. So that's obviously good news. I like to keep this on here. Now, another issue that I have, even though I love this foil covering, it's kind of a nuisance to take it all off. As you can see, there's still a little bit here, so that's why I just kind of peel it back. I guess as you use it, you can just peel it back more and more and more, but everyone may not love that. But I think it's because, again, you know that the item that you're purchasing has not been tampered with, it hasn't been swatched. A lot of people go into stores and they like to test the cosmetics or swatch them. You know that this hasn't been touched. So I appreciate the foil wrapping, but it can be just a little bit of a nuisance to get it all off. So that's one thing that you just want to keep in mind. So again, really, really good product. The fragrance is a little bit strong for me, but good thing it's not going on your face. I would not recommend putting this anyplace else. Just your hands. You can throw it in your bag. You can put it on your desk at work, just to always have it handy for those who work a lot with their hands throughout the day and they get dry and you need a little bit of lotion. It's not a huge container. It's not going to take up too much space in your bag, which is perfect. Really, really smooth, creamy formula. Is a little bit greasy, a tiny bit greasy. But for those who don't mind and who are washing their hands throughout the day, that's perfect. You don't have to worry about that. It's not a huge deal breaker. So again, I hope this information was helpful. This is a really, really great hand cream. I would recommend it for anyone who just needs a little bit of lotion throughout the day. You can throw it in your bag and you're good to go.